party, new videos, new artists, and Bacchanal Fridays are all coming up in this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and this week we're in Portmore. Stay tuned for the next half an hour because it's all about lifestyle and entertainment. We kick off this week's show with highlights from one of the hottest pool parties held recently. Let's head on over to East Kirkland Heights in St. Andrew for highlights on maps.
Please call me, thanks for sending 25.
You went to a motherfucker like me, can you please remind me?
Alright, so this is Pree Dis and we're the first staging of Maps. I'm standing here with Brian from Rockwallers Entertainment, who plays a major part in this happening. So how you feel about the event so far?
Yeah, I must say, I'm extremely proud of Encore Entertainment hosting a very prestigious pool party. I mean, it's music, it's pool, it's a great series. I can't be any more happy than to be a part of such a great first staging. On behalf of Encore Entertainment, I must thank Boom, Energy Drink, Water, Ocean Spray, Cranberry, Cyclops Security. The venue, the party is very secure. They've done an excellent job. Elite Creations has provided the VIP food, damn good brownies. Everybody loving the brownies. There's an excellent party, and of course, Rockwellers, we provided, numerous services. It just couldn't be a better event. We couldn't be happier.
How you enjoying the vibe at Map so far?
Map is great. We like it. Makes a good look. It made the venue look good, that's what we want. And everybody's having a good fun. The setup is nice, beautiful. A lot of people having fun. Everybody's eating, drinking, and having a great time. And that's what we say at La Vita. New life, having fun.
All right. How are you feeling about the turnout that's at Maps right now?
Quite honestly, I like the turnout, providing that it's the first event that they're hosting. I'm pretty impressed, and I really like the vibe. The decor, I love it. The promotion went extremely well.
So I'm now with the Boom Girls, and Boom, is a major sponsor for what's happening. So girls, how are you enjoying the vibes so far?
The vibes right now is good, it's great. Right now I'm planning to go in the pool and get wet. The vibe's good, the music is good, the food is good, the liquor is good, everything is good. Up, boom.
So I'm standing with one of the members of Young Rollers that's having cookouts on March 27th. So I'd like you to tell the people how you feel so far being at Maps.
Yeah, right now Maps loud. Just look, take a good look. Remember now, Young Rollers cook out March 27th. Yo, Maps loud. Up. Yo, tell my team there. All of my team. Yo, up, man.
Alright, granted that is the first staging of Maps and everything. How you feel about the decor that they put up and the music and the DJs and the shows?
The decor mad. The decor is sick. From you come in, you see the difference of the place. The music up. As I can see some throwback play right now, I keep the people there merry and happy right now. Maps loud.
Alright, right now, cover shot sound inside of Maps. Pree Dis. We just all see what go on. Check out the vibe. We're there right now with one of the patrons on them now. Alana, what go on?
But they are.
You say you're good. So how you enjoy the vibe on Maps right now, or the music? What? Tell me about the party, what go on?
Right, I know the vibes are gone. The music good, the rum tastes nice, the food is excellent, the people them there, them have a bag of time, I like it, it's a good look.
The decor is awesome. Like, hats off to them for the decor. Like, CME did a great job. And like, the liquor, turn.
Alright, so, for the people who are not here, what you want to say to them?
You miss it, I swear.
Tiggy, why you tell the people them how you feel about the event?
Right about now, it's a good event. People them are out. Liquor buy, are almost drunk. Big up the team. Sorry, no promotion, hold on. Big up the team out there. It's a good event, everybody enjoy themselves. Trust me. Good.
It's all about the cover shot invasion, and we're here at Maps. Yo, you can see, the party turn up. And I'm here with Milk. Walk on.
Pree Dis, the weedies at Maps.
Oh, the party, watch her, she run gone. Party crazy. It's all about Maps, keep it locked. And the cover shot invasion.
The event is great. You don't look and see for yourself. You don't have to take my word for it. Just look and see.
Turnout is amazing. I'm really appreciative of everybody that came out tonight. And I just want to send a shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for making Map. I think it's been successful so far.
Alright, so right now, I'd like you to list out the promoters and tell you thank yous. And for the people who aren't here, how you feel?
First of all, for the people who aren't here, you should be ashamed of yourselves, okay? You're missing a really good pool party. Second of all, the promoters of the event are Encore International. Big up yourself, guys. You did a really good job. I'm super proud of all of you. Keep it coming. Music and Pool series cannot wait for the next one. And thanks again for all the supporters and everybody that came out. We love you.
You have 10 man, me I feel believing. Me never ask them fi watch your body for me that me I tell them. All when them say 6 man got it, guess who makes 7? Girl, your body still feel nice, but feel like say me taking heaven. Yeah.
Remember, when you party responsibly. Now it's time for a healthy living tip courtesy of Tru Juice. Listen up and hear the benefits of vitamin C that's in every bottle of Tru Juice.
Vitamin C is an essential factor required for the production of collagen, a protein present in connectile tissues of the body. Therefore, vitamin C is especially helpful in healing wounds of all types. From minor cuts to deep wounds, broken bones and burns, vitamin C speeds up the healing process and helps you to recover much faster. Tru Juice premium quality juices are packed with lots of vitamin C.
Right after this short break, we have new artists and we have a video premiere. We'll be right back.